Hi everybody, welcome aboard. Thanks for checking out this video. This is a long overdue video. Going to go through some sales on postcards that I've made recently. It's been quite a bit of time since I've done a postcard what's sold video, and I figured now is as good a time as any as we record this video in early May of 2025. So hope you're all having a great spring, and let's roll. Let's get through some of these postcards that have been selling for me. The first one is a real photo postcard from a national airport in Washington, D.C. You can see there's a nice image of a plane down there. This one sold for $10, and I do free shipping model here on eBay for postcards using eBay's standard envelope. Next up is a nice linen postcard. This one from Gibson, Pennsylvania, sold for $9. Image of a buck there, a deer. Nice sale. This one just sold actually as I record this video last night. Next up, another linen postcard from the 1939 World's Fair in New York. This of General George Washington. Big, beautiful statue there. Another $9 sale on this postcard. Very happy with that one. I have tons and tons of these World's Fair postcards from the New York World's Fair, specifically from 3940 and 6465. Next one from Red Bank, New Jersey. This is an image of the Shrewsbury River Bridge in Red Bank. Not sure if that's still there. For those of you who might live in that area, let me know in the comments below if this bridge still exists. Whether it does or not, it did back when this image was made of the postcard, and this one sold. I took a best offer of $5.99 on this one. Another best offer, this time for $7.50 on another real photo postcard. It's Mount Rainier in Tacoma, Washington. $7.50 on this one. Took a best offer. Nice image of a very famous mountain. I'll take that, $7.50. Next up, we have this image of the George Washington Bridge, the entrance going from Fort Lee, New Jersey area to Manhattan. And you can see, based upon the cars, it looks like this is probably late 20s, early 30s, the image. Hard to tell exactly. The post date, is from 36. But that certainly doesn't mean that the card couldn't have been 10 years old by the time it was finally posted. But nice sale on that one, $8.70. It's kind of a common card. It's definitely out there in multitudes, George Washington Bridge cards for sure. But very cool to see that one go for that price, $8, $8.70. These next two were both purchased by the same buyer. They paid $7.50 for each, so $15 for the two cards, both real photo postcards from the aforementioned 1939 World's Fair. This one of the Turkish Pavilion. Not something I've seen a whole bunch of, so that was a nice one. And then this next one is from the Romanian building, another real photo postcard. He paid $7.50 for each one, so $15 for those two cards. Next up, we have this Christmas postcard sold for $9. Merry Christmas, baby Jesus, Joseph, Virgin Mary, manger, lamb, glitter. It does have some gold glitter on there, as you can see. So be mindful if you're putting it through your scanner. You can see a lot of stuff going on back here, but he gave me a good review anyway. And that's why I like having these nice clear scans. It's one of those cases where, the buyer knows exactly what they're picking up. But the front is obviously a beautiful image here. But there's that gold glitter. You want to be careful when you're putting that through your scanner because it could definitely damage it. And next up, a $9 sale. Very nice one on this linen card street scene from Chattanooga, Tennessee. It's a Dixie Highway, which is really a popular thing to note in your postcard listings or anything else, actually, if you have something with the Dixie Highway. That's Market Street. You can see image of a trolley car, people crossing, some regular cars over there. You see a billiards thing. You have a drugstore. All that stuff really adds up and makes this a very desirable postcard. So $9 on that one. Next up would be this card from Hoboken, New Jersey. This is just another one of those pretty typical cards. I took a best offer of $6.50 on this one. Pretty mundane image, but somebody thought it was desirable and they picked it up for $6.50. And then finally on this video, I have tons of these large letter greeting cards, linen card. This one is from Ocean City, Maryland. This one sold for $7. This one also just sold recently. It is now about the middle of spring, early May, and you're going to see the popularity of these shore town cards probably going up now for the next several months as we head into summer next month. So be on the lookout for those. Get them listed. The more rare locations will probably command a higher price, but I'll take $7 all day on this large letter greetings from Ocean City, Maryland. Thank you very much, guys, for checking out the video. Please do take a second and leave a thumbs up. If you enjoy the content, share it out to friends and family. Tell them to jump aboard, join the Jiminy Flip It YouTube channel, and have some fun. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.